Okay, search for a u substitution so that the derivative of that u gives you things that we see. So if we let u equal 1 over x, which is x to the negative 1, then du is negative 1x to the negative 2 dx, or in other words, a negative du is equal to dx over x to the second power. And that's exactly in the integrand. So we'll substitute a negative du in for dx over x squared. And there we have our nice u substitution. Negative du is equal to dx over x squared. There we have it. Let's go ahead and finish this problem off. Simple antiderivative, resubstituting in, we have negative e to the 1 over x plus c.